fighting the rain here, but we're going to do an affirmation balance around health, so increasing health and vitality. So I'm just going to work through the chakras one by one, and then I'll do some of the core meridians in relation to some of these goals, affirmations in relation to health. I look after my health and well-being. I listen to my physical body and meet its needs daily. I nurture my body and give it the nourishment it needs to feel happy, healthy, and well. I exercise daily to keep all my body systems at optimum health. I now no longer need to feel pain and illness and release all blocks that are creating trauma. It is great to be alive. I release the need to hold on to illness. I release emotional trauma and regain my health. My body is free from pain and illness. I feel safe enough to release illness. I refuse to take on the health and pain issues of others. I flow through life in good health. I increase my motivation to gain overall fitness and health. I release all past illnesses from my cells. I release all past pain from my cells. I deserve to be healthy. I release all genetic conditions affecting my health. I am open to receiving good health. I focus my energies on regaining my health. I am happy and healthy. I am worthy of good health. I am worthy of good health. I no longer take on other people's pain. I no longer take on other people's pain. I am happy, healthy, and well, and deserve good health. I am happy, healthy, and well, and deserve good health. I am happy being me. I am happy being me. I am happy being me. enjoy. Thank you.